Oklahoma. Here's Craig. Can you see Craig? You can't see Craig at all. I don't see Craig at all. We don't have no light here.
No, we don't.
Yeah, let's look at you while we're surviving. There's Craig. Craig! Let me back it up so we don't look at him. Here, I'll do it like that. There's Craig. There's Craig. Hail in July.
Wow.
Say hail in July.
Hail in July.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yep.
It's weird. Okay, do me. Hail in July. Can you believe this crap? This is crazy. Hail in July. Don't get it. I don't get it at all. Hail in. Hey, people on the internet. Hey, all my peeps. Peace out. Hail in July. In July. It's like 100 degrees outside and there's hail. Craziness. I can't do it. It's still recording me. Goofball. That's my van. You can hear it on top of the car.
That's just a field of hail out there.
What'd you say, Craig, with the light on you?
That's just a field of hail out there.
A field of hail. A field of hail. Look at him looking. Okay, I'm gonna turn the thingy off. One last look at the top of my van. See how hard the rain is coming and how much hail we got. That's a field of hail. Looks like snow.